Hello, all you cool cats and kittens. It's Carol Baskins here, trying to get you set up for Mr. Chan's creative engineering class. Um, guess what, guys? I do not know how to do online teaching at all, so I am learning just as much as you guys are. But that's life. You always got to learn something new. So, for me, I'm gonna try to do Google Classroom. I've been told it's easy, but just watch me screw it up. So for today, what I want you to do is use this access code HDJ7EGW. All right. And then you're going to go to classroom.google.com. And then you got this little plus button up here. All right. And it says, do you want to join a class or create a class? You're going to hit join a class. And then you're going to type in that exact class code and hit join. I think you guys all know how to do Google Classroom. Clearly, I don't. So we'll see how this goes tomorrow when you actually do it. But when you do, you should see this assignment that I posted in number one. So it's your first assignment, and just fill it out, and I'll go ahead and grade and give you credit. Should not take you that long. I just want to make sure everybody is logged on. So this is what the assignment will look like. Blah, blah, blah. You read through it really quick. Whenever you see red, I want you to answer those questions. When you are done, I want you to submit this so that I can give you credit. All right, but make sure you read through it all. And then wherever there's red, I want you to write something. Okay? I don't think there's anything else for this first day. When we do get to next week, we'll actually do some cool engineering stuff. We've got a really cool thing that shows you how pandemics can be prevented or stopped or how quickly they spread based on all this social distancing thing. But for today only, I just want us to look at this and get set up in my Google Classroom. All right? Okay, have a good day.